Welcome. In this short video, we'll walk you through saving an action in the NC Flood Resiliency Blueprint tool. Let's get started. After you've built your resiliency action, you're going to go ahead and click Add to Action Plan. The first thing we will do is give the resiliency action a name. Naming the action something unique is important, so we want to make sure the action name is as descriptive as possible. But for the sake of the demonstration, we will call the action Johnston County Test Action. We will include details to describe our resilience action. We will also want any qualitative information about the resiliency action that wouldn't be included in the action profile. This includes key assumptions, barriers to implementation, action objectives, available resources, or status of stakeholder collaboration efforts. There could also be other qualitative benefits such as water quality or environmental benefits. You can choose to copy your action to another draft action plan by selecting the slider at the bottom left of the Save Resiliency Action window. The tool will prompt users to choose a target action plan where the resiliency action will be copied. Filters are available to help identify specific action plans, jurisdictions, counties, or basins. To copy the action to the targeted action plan, simply click the name of the plan. You'll now see the target action plan name at the bottom right of the screen. Click Save Copy to complete the process. After defining our action, we will select Save Action, and there will be a notification that the action is saved. Next, the tool will give the questions for ranking. You can save the action without answering the ranking and complexity questions, but answering the ranking and complexity questions help you decide which actions to submit to DEQ. To navigate through the questions, we can expand the questions and see which topics are included in the sections. The icons for each question will turn green when they are completed. We can also jump directly to the project complexity questions without answering the ranking questions. Similar to the ranking questions, you should answer each question to the best of your ability. The project complexity questions assess the difficulty of implementing your action. Once all the questions are answered, you can save your answers and close the window. That's it. You've just learned how to save an action in the NC Flood Resiliency Blueprint tool. For more help, visit youtube.com/@ncdeq.